Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the panel thoroughly so the remover works on the scratch rather than grime. Once dry, mask a 1-2 cm border to protect clear coat. You test a tiny 1 cm area to confirm compatibility. If fine, put a pea-sized drop on a foam pad and apply with light circular pressure. You're aiming to work product into the scratch, not strip paint. Move steadily for 30-45 seconds and then wipe residue to inspect progress. You continue by increasing focus. Maintain moderate pressure and keep the applicator in overlapping circles to evenly blend the remover. Once done with a pass, wipe with a clean microfiber and inspect at different angles. If the scratch persists, repeat 1-2 more times, waiting 30-45 seconds per pass. You should not sand here. Instead, if the groove softens but remains visible, change to a fine polish to refine edges and avoid breaking through the clear coat, which would need bodywork. You finish by wiping all residue with a clean microfiber and follow with a fine polish to blend the area smoothly. Once satisfied, apply a paint sealant or wax to lock protection for the next 1-3 months. Make sure to cure per product instructions. If you see haze or new swirls, re-clean the spot and use a light polish. If that fails, try a stronger compound sparingly. Remember, if paint is removed or very deep, professional repair is the only safe option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.